On the day of your IELTS exam, for the IELTS listening, I strongly advise you to listen to some videos, radio or podcast in the morning when you wake up, during breakfast or on the bus on the way to the exam. As I said in the previous video, this will make you already used to hearing someone in English and you won't have that first traumatic shock of hearing someone talking in a completely different language and with a strong accent. Another thing very important to remember, once you arrive in your exam room, you need to check your headphones if they're giving you one, or in general, you need to check that you hear very well whatever your seat will be. It will be very difficult that they will change your seat. However, you may ask for help and support before the beginning of the IELTS listening session. During the exam, you won't be able to stand up or to exit the room, so prepare yourself for this. Maybe go to the toilet before starting the exam, or just have everything you need, such as a bit of water, before you start. Another important thing to do during the exam is to have a paper where you take general notes. So while you do the listening, you may take notes about the answer, but also about in general what you hear. That will be very useful when at the end of the listening part, you have those 10 minutes to transfer the answer in the answer sheet. In those 10 minutes, if you have some notes, you can read them and also fill the gaps that you may have left empty. Lastly, it's very important that you write words and numbers in capital letters, and in this way you make them way more understandable and it's easier then for you to check the grammar or any spelling mistakes. In the next video, we are going to focus on the vocabulary that you need to know for the IELTS listening.